this is just a standard bind off. I don't even know if this bind off has a name. Anyway, but it's just a standard bind off. So the very first stitch, you want to knit 1 stitch, and then after that what you do is you knit a 2nd stitch, and then you take the tip of your left hand needle and insert into this stitch here, the first one on the right needle, and pull it, stretch it out a bit and pull it up and over this one. So let me show you that one more time. Knit this, and then take the tip of this needle, insert it into this stitch, pull on it a bit to loosen it up, and pull it over the top of this one and off the tip of the needle. Just make sure you don't accidentally slip this one off. And it does make a fairly firm bind off. When you get to the last stitch and you just have 1 loop left here on the right hand side, sorry. When you get to the last stitch and you only have 1 loop left, all you do is you take your needle out and you grab the yarn and pull it through the loop. And I do actually have quite a bit of line left over, so I probably should have cut this before I pulled it through. But anyway, there you go. And you're done.